We have 4 apples and 2 oranges in one basket, and then 3 apples and 5 oranges in another one. And Carol is to select one piece of fruit at random from each of the 2 baskets. What's the probability that one of the 2 pieces of fruit selected will be an apple and the other an orange? So we'll call this basket 1 and basket 2. So she could get an apple from basket 1 and an orange from basket 2. Or she could get an orange from basket 1 and an apple from basket 2. So listen to the language again. An apple from basket 1 and an orange from basket 2. And means multiply. Or she could get an orange from basket 1 and an apple from basket 2. So what's the probability she gets an apple from basket 1? Well, there's 4 apples over a total of 6 pieces of fruit, and times an orange from over here. There's a total of 8 pieces of fruit, and there's 5 oranges, plus an orange from basket 1, total of 6 pieces of fruit, and 2 of them are oranges, times an apple from basket 2. An apple would be 3 out of 8. So let's see what this gives us. 4 will go into 8 2 times. So that's going to be 5 over 12. Nothing else will reduce. Plus 3 will go into 6 2 times, and then the 2's cancel. So you're left with 1/8. And what's the smallest number that a 12 and 8 will go into? You could use a process that I've taught you on how to find the LCD, but you can probably eyeball it and just tell it's 24. What do I need to multiply 12 by to get 24? 2. But I can multiply the top by 2. It's 10. Need to multiply that by 3. Multiply the top by 3. It's 3. That gives you 13 over 24 for an answer.